In the last episode, you saw this very tired, forgotten Audi A4 Quattro come into our shop to refresh its skin, repair all dents, fix the sunburn, and begin to full respray. By repairing major dents, straightening the panel, sanding entire car, and finishing the bodywork with the primer over the repair area. If you haven't watched the episode 1 yet, highly recommended to going back and check it out. And in this episode, we'll be preparing and painting both sides, bring it one big step closer to full transformation. And before we getting started, if you haven't subbed our channel yet, please do it now and press the bell to not miss the next episode. Now let's get into it. She's sanding the both side and make it ready for paint, but in the same time I do some correction on the bonnet. So the correction means it's still I have to start to sanding with the rough grade of the sandpaper and the sanding block to make sure the damaged area that are already repaired, it goes flat and then it's nothing left, even the scratches left behind the previous sand. So one of the reasons we apply the primer on the car is to correct the scratches. Stay with me to show you how to correct the repaired area. The surface like these, when I primer it, it's really hard to see the scratches left behind, but I don't know, still you can see the scratches here. But to show all the imperfections, so we apply the black powder over the damaged area or the parts that already repaired, and we need to sand it. So like this, all the powder, it goes to the scratches channel and shows when we are sanding it. I start to sand with the block. So I do like a cross pattern here and there. These are the scratches left behind from the sanding section before applying the primer. So the primer start to filling these scratches even here. So that's why I sprayed a couple of layers to make it thick here while we're sanding. It's still we got enough thickness from the primer. Even here it shows all the scratches mark left behind. So it needs to keep going over these to make it flat. That's a final stage before painting. This paste, it does washing and sanding same time. So it has very rough things inside the paste plus the soap. All right, done for today. As you see, I washed it and done the last step with the Scotch pad and the paste. Spray in a very tight area around the rubbers. Everything is get rid of all the dust and the dirt just in case not coming out while I'm painting it. I put it inside the oven, let it dry over the night, and tomorrow I'll come back to mask it off and ready for paint. All right, today I start to mask the car and make it ready for paint. So I masked the center, the front bumper, and the wheels. So for tomorrow, I want to paint this just the side, the two guards, 4 doors, and the 2 quarter panels, and I leave the rest in different stages. So I mix the color and it's ready. I go change it and come back to start the painting. Thank you so much to be with me so far. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and please do like and subscribe the channel and see you in next episode.